Do you want to know what your invoices should show when you get an inauthentic, how recalls affect Amazon sellers, and what you should do when it comes to unresolved IP complaints and how they can blow up in your face? Then stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to go through each one of these three issues, and each one is absolutely vital for Amazon sellers. First issue I want to talk about today: inauthentic customer complaints and what you need to show on your invoices. Now, we have several videos and we're gonna give you links so you know which videos to look at if you wanna learn how you should look at your invoices, your own deep dive analysis before you send your invoices to Amazon. Because what we are seeing are more listing suspensions than ever before, not account suspensions, and that is a really good thing, but listing suspensions based upon inauthentic, where you need to get your invoices over to Amazon as quickly as possible. And you need to know what information should be on your invoices, and I think even more importantly, what should not be on your invoices that Amazon uses against you, even though it says it will not. ABH Pharmaceutical has engaged in a recall. It doesn't mean the product is bad, it just means there's some issue with the FDA, and it might be bad, it might be not. But what's going on is ABH Pharmaceutical has turned over their entire email list to the FDA, and those sellers who are on that list, whether you ever sold their products or not, you are very likely to receive a notice from Amazon. So if you sold ABH Pharmaceutical products, be prepared to respond to Amazon. And if you never sold those products, but your email address was on that list, be prepared to demonstrate to Amazon that you did have your email on their list, but that you never sold their products, okay? Unresolved intellectual property right complaints. You get a complaint, you get two complaints, your account's chugging along, and you don't do anything about it, and these things are now lingering on your account. It is a very, very bad move. We've told you guys for years, as soon as the IP complaint comes in, you should address it right away, because the notification Amazon just started sending out reads, "We have not received requested information regarding your listing or selling history." Now, if you have IP complaints against your account, what you should do is do everything possible to get a retraction. If you would like me to send you a PowerPoint presentation that I delivered in Las Vegas and in Hong Kong before hundreds of successful Amazon sellers, post a comment below and I will send you our PowerPoint presentation on what you need to look for in terms of your invoices, what should be on the invoices and what should absolutely not be on your invoices before you send them into Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please join me again tomorrow for more AmazonSellersLawyer.com insider information.